today I'm going to share my experience of getting Social Security number. So here in the US, Social Security number is super important, especially when you start working. It's basically a requirement before you can begin any job. First things first, congratulations on getting a job. Once you receive your job offer letter from your boss, make sure to let them know that you don't have a Social Security number yet. The University of Utah HR office will then contact you and provide you with all the necessary details and guidance. The first thing I had to do was obtain a work authorization letter from ISSS, which is International Student Office. To get this letter, you should go to the ISSS website and go to the U.S. student portal and request on-campus work authorization. Once your letter gets approved, you can pick it up from ISSS office, which is located in the first floor of the Union Building. Next, you will need to visit the Social Security Administration office downtown. Before you go there, you should visit their website first. You can submit an application for first-timer. After you apply, you should physically visit to the Social Security office to provide documentation within 45 days. When you go to the office, make sure to bring some documents with you. These include your work authorization letter from ISSS, your job offer letter, the most recent version of I-94, your I-20, and your passport. Also, don't forget to write your application number down. After going through the process, your citizenship status will be officially classified as lawful alien allowed to work. For tips, it's best to visit the office in the morning to avoid long wait times. I made the mistake of going there in the afternoon and ended up waiting for 2 hours. The office is located downtown, and when you're there, they will give you a receipt. You need to email a copy of that receipt to HR manager along with a copy of your I-20 and work authorization letter from ISSS. This is all necessary for them to create your temporary work ID. After completing these steps, you'll need to visit the HR office to sign the I-9 form. The HR manager will assist you in making an appointment for that. The HR office is also at downtown, and you should bring your I-20, I-94, and your passport with you. Once you've signed the I-9 form, you're immediately allowed to start working even on the same day. The official Social Security card will be sent to your address via mail. Once you receive it, be sure to email your HR manager to let them know that you've received a Social Security number. They will probably send you a secure link where you can upload a copy of your Social Security card. After that, I scheduled a Zoom meeting with HR to update my I-9, and that wrapped up the whole process for me. For me personally, this entire process took a month for me, but it can be shorter or longer depending on your situation. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching, and bye!